Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Tecno Pova 8 5G phone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, wrong pattern drawn. You can see wrong pattern drawn. Okay, if we press and hold the power button and try to power it off, it will ask for pattern, pin or password. Okay, so to do a restart, just press and hold the volume down and power button together. Just press and hold it, do not release. And when the screen turns off, release it and press and hold the volume up and power button together. And now release the power button and keep pressing the volume up button. And you can see it will send you in Android recovery mode. Now here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data factory reset. You can see wipe data factory reset and confirm, and you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone, guys. All data stored on this device will be deleted. Go to factory data reset and confirm, and you can see on bottom data wipe complete. Now simply reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset, it might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset, when it again asks for password, pin or pattern, use the previously logged in Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Tecno Pova 8 5G phone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.